Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Guys, hope everyone is doing great. Today I came again with one more video. We have Canon printer over with me. The model number is MX494. Okay guys, the issue is with that printer is the strip, encoding strip is outside. I think by mistakenly the kids removed this strip. Today I will show you the steps how you can fix this back in the printer to running your printer properly. Stay with me, watch the complete video and follow the same steps. First of all guys, with the help of star screwdriver, there are 4 screws we have to open. There are 1 screw is here and 1 screw is here. I will show you, the cameraman will show you. There are 2 screws on the top and 2 screws on the behind here. 2 screw is here. Okay, so first of all we will remove these 2 screws. Will not take long, I think approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And please come here and show this 2 screws on the top. This encoding strip is very important because without this encoding strip the printer cannot work properly. Okay, here be careful, don't pull it fast because it can damage your cables. Remove these strips. Okay, 3 strips here. Remove this and keep it aside. Okay, now this Canon printer is not like HP printers because this strip came along with the spring here. We have spring over here. This is the spring. Okay, it will come on the left side, and here is also you can see L is written L, so this is the direction of that strip. Okay, first of all I will keep it put this spring inside the strip. Okay, this will take a okay, it's fine now. Yes, this is a strip. Okay, make sure before you fix the strip should be cleaned. Okay, if there is a minor grease or liquid will be on the strip, the print might become abnormal. Okay guys, so and second thing is there is a sensor behind this ink cartridge carrier. Okay, we will insert this strip from here. It will come out right from the here. If this strip will not inside the sensor, it will not work properly. The cartridge head will abnormally go left and right. And the important thing is this is the spring. Okay, with the help of this tweezer or long nose player, we will I will remove from here first. We will place here from the left side first. Okay, then we will pull little and it will be here. Okay guys, okay, this is we placed it back. If sometimes the hole of the strip become damaged, you cannot fix it well, so you have to put a little super glue on the strip, so it must be tight here. It should not be loose. Okay, it should be tight. And second important thing is the sensor behind this sensor the strip should be inside the sensor. Okay, if it's not inside the sensor, this carriage will not move normally. It will move very fast from here, right left. Okay, so now we'll put our top cover back to the printer and then we will check our printer. It will work fine. And guys, during this process there are 3 cables that we removed earlier. Okay, now we will place back these cables. Make sure place the cables well without being damaging or doing something. Okay, here we go. We will place back the screws, but before we place the screws, I will check with the power cord. Here I will click the power and then okay. Before before when the strip was outside, the carriageway is moving very fast from right to left, left to right. Now there is no more error. Before there was an error on the screen. I will see if there is an error or not. Guys, in any Deskjet printer or inkjet printer, if you found this strip is broken or damaged, your printer will not work. You have to fix this strip back. Now our printer is in ready state. There is no more error. This showing the message is black ink is running low. So now we will fix the screws back. So where we move this, one screw was here. Don't forget to place the screw back, so your printer will work fine. The screw also will back, we will fix. So our machine is ready. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries. And if you really learn something new, don't forget to subscribe the channel and encourage me in the comments. Take care guys, bye.